Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can see from the title below, I know this is another unboxing video, but I want to say that this is actually a gift, well, another gift. This is my early birthday present from my husband Kevin, which he so kindly bought for me. I know that I should have waited, but you know, summer is just another season or a month away, I would put it. So yeah, I thought we'll show you what I got and take you through my shopping experience. It's not much, but I'll cut away to you know, the store experience, you know, what I tried on and etc. Huh? Okay, so back to the unboxing part of the video. Here is what I got. I don't know why they give out such huge boxes. My bag is not even this big, and you should see when I was carrying the paper bag earlier, I was trying to carry it like this to take a, you know, a photo for the video, and I would say it was almost knocking me down. So I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to get squished. But yeah, I'm gonna open it in case and avoid getting squished by the box. So. Here is the bag, and it's this bag. Open it nicely. Okay, so here it is. So yeah, there it is. It is the Loewe Square basket bag. This is the classic size, which is the medium size. I tried the small size on and I didn't like it because being 5 foot short, the small size is very small even for me. I generally like bigger bags, so I quite like this one. And initially I was actually looking for the other basket bag, which I'll show you a thumbnail on it here on screen, but they don't have that size in store that I wanted, and the sales associate took this one out and she showed me. And initially when I saw this online, I didn't think I would like this because of the color, but then I tried it on and I think I fell in love with this bag. I do think this is the perfect bag for the summer. You know, obviously travel is not allowed at the moment, but still I'm really hoping that, you know, when everything goes better and I can start using my bag like this. So this was made in calfskin and with reed, and then here is the Loewe logo and a gram patch. And on the inside, they actually kindly put some paper tissue in there to start the vibration up, and the authenticity cards right here. And it is actually a very, very nice bag. I mean, it's handmade from reed, so I would say that, you know, it's very, very simple and yet very classic for me. And also the straps are adjustable, which I really like. I love adjustable straps. I don't know why. I like longer straps. And the Goya tote bag I had, the St. Louis PM I had, it has a much shorter strap, so when I carry on the shoulder it feels really odd. But I'm glad that there is an option for that, for an adjustable strap for this bag. And yeah, I can't wait to actually, you know, use it finally when the weather is hotter. Well, actually today it's pretty hot. I was actually debating whether to use this or not, but nope, not gonna use this until the summer. And yeah, I'm very, very enjoying this bag, and I think it suits my skin tone a lot because I have yellow undertones and red undertones, which make my skin look very, very yellow. So yeah, I think this is the perfect bag for me for the summer. Okay, so for another part of the Loewe shopping experience, as we got something in a smaller bag here. So I'm gonna get them out. I'm not sure you guys can guess what these are, but Okay, so here they are. They are candles from Loewe. I really like them. So I got one in honeysuckle, which I very much like. There's a sticker. Go. Here it is. This is the honeysuckle candle. Oh, that smells very sweet. Very warm and refreshing. Sweet and refreshing. That's very nice. Very typical honeysuckle smell, which I love. The box is such a good craftsmanship like this with the logo. And the other one is the Juniper Berry candle, which I'm gonna try and open this one nicely. Oh. Okay, so here, oh no, Juniper Berry, why you do this? Okay, I'm gonna try and open this one nicely. Here it is. This is the Juniper Berry candle. It smells very cinnamon-ish, very foresty, very warm, I would put it. I would say that this is a very good, you know, combination of both candles. I don't know, I'm really looking forward to try them on. And I do like how the candle is bright. Oh, in the middle of the logo right here, there's a Loewe logo. Obviously that's just the paper, but yeah, that's very nice craftsmanship with the Loewe logo on there. I'm very excited to use them. I have a couple more candles. I'm a candle hoarder, I would put it that way. But yeah, I'm very looking forward to using this one and also my honeysuckle one right here. So yeah, okay, so that's it for my unboxing video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love to see you in my other videos. But yeah, thank you so much again for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye everyone.